Do you know this word? Let me first tell you how this word is pronounced. Sardonic. Sardonic. It means humorous in an unkind way that shows you do not respect someone or something. इसका मतलब किसी के बारे में आप तिरस्कारपूर्ण या निंदापूर्ण तरीके से पेश आते हैं. It is an adjective and is used before noun. For example, a sardonic smile, look, comment. Let's see how this word is used in sentences. John attempted a sardonic smile. I've never been comfortable with his sardonic wit. His latest book, After Britain, is a comparably sardonic performance. The adverb form is sardonically. He laughed sardonically. The noun form is sardonicism. Sardonicism is a defining characteristic of a public speaker, friend, level-waged works and appearances.